The Toyota app is a seamless, intuitive way for Toyota owners to stay connected to their vehicles. The app gives users a one-stop shop for accessing a wide range of Toyota functionality and makes it easy for owners to purchase Toyota parts and accessories, check on the health of their vehicle, and schedule service. Finding your way around the Toyota app all starts with the main navigation menu at the bottom of the screen. The Service tab is where users can easily schedule and manage service appointments, and tapping the Pay icon brings up a digital wallet that lets them manage the payment methods of their vehicle subscriptions. When it's time to purchase Toyota parts and accessories and associated accessory products, the Shop icon can be tapped. While tapping Find on the far right brings up a variety of helpful information like recent destinations and nearby charging stations. The Vehicle tab lets drivers switch between vehicles and check on vehicle status and health. There, users can also find recalls, service campaigns, and maintenance alerts. And on the bottom of this screen is 24/7 roadside assistance. It isn't just for towing. There are also helpful FAQs and assistance with general vehicle questions. If you're looking to purchase Toyota parts and accessories, it's as simple as a few taps in the app. First, select Shop from the main menu at the bottom of the screen. Under Shop, you'll find Parts and Accessories. Tap to browse what you need for your vehicle, with genuine products that come with peace of mind thanks to Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Shop is also where you can check out the connected services available for your vehicle, and all the products and options to renew, manage, or opt in to subscriptions. Now, when it comes to maintaining your vehicle, it all starts with enrolling in Service Connect, which comes standard with a 5-year trial. In order to enroll, users must first accept the Connected Services Terms of Use and the Connected Services Privacy Notices. Let's take a deeper dive into Service Connect and look at all its great features, starting with the ability to check vehicle health. Service Connect, accessed through the Toyota app, provides important personalized maintenance updates and vehicle health information, including applicable recalls and service campaigns, vehicle warnings and alerts, and maintenance information. Get started by tapping the Vehicle icon and going to the Vehicle page. Under Health, you'll see Safety Recalls or Service Campaigns. Here, you'll find relevant and critical information regarding significant technical, system, equipment, or vehicle occurrences, along with potentially valuable solutions. Vehicle Alerts is also where you'll see any active alerts for your vehicle. Vehicle alerts and maintenance reminders are sent to both the customer and the preferred dealer. Even more information on your vehicle can be found in the Info button on the Vehicle page. Under Dashboard, you can find out what dashboard lights mean, check out the owner's manual for your specific vehicle, or view other manuals and guides as PDFs. FAQs and vehicle specs can also be found in the glove box in the Toyota app. Service Connect, accessed through the Toyota app, creates an end-to-end digital solution that lets you seamlessly schedule service for your vehicle, check in for your appointment, and pay. With SmartPath, service reminders and scheduling becomes even easier, keeping owners up to date with their vehicle needs. Simply put, it's the simple and convenient way to keep track of service for your Toyota vehicle. To get started, tap the Service icon at the bottom left of the screen. Here, you can manage service appointments. Tap Make an Appointment to see what upcoming services your vehicle will need. Under Service History, you can also manually add a service record for your vehicle. Just tap Add Record and input the information. Need to schedule an appointment? It can be done with a few taps in the app. From Service Appointments, tap Make an Appointment and choose from a list of dealers close to your location. Or search for a different service provider. Once you've made your selection, set as Preferred Dealer. Next, select the services to be performed and a service advisor. You can even arrange transportation through the app by selecting from options like Drive Myself, Shuttle, Rental, or Loaner. Then choose the date and time for the appointment. Note that you can change your preferred dealer by tapping on your current one and tapping Change Preferred Dealer. Whether purchasing Toyota parts and accessories, checking on the health of the vehicle, or scheduling service, the Toyota app is the best way to stay connected to your vehicle. And signing up for Service Connect gives you seamless access to Toyota service and peace of mind. Download the Toyota app or learn more at toyota.com.